Hamad International Airport is a sole international airport in the state of Qatar and the home of Qatar's flag carrier airlines, which is Qatar Airways. It is located south of its capital, Doha. It replaced the nearby Doha International Airport as Qatar's principal airport, formerly known as Doha International Airport. Hamad International Airport was originally scheduled to open in 2008, but after a series of costly delays, the airport finally opened on April 30, 2014 with a ceremonial Qatar Airways flight landing from nearby Doha International. Qatar Airways and all other carriers formally relocated to the new airport on May 27, 2014. The airport is named after the previous Emir of Qatar, Hamad bin Khalifa Al Thani. The planning started in 2003 while the construction began in 2005. The site of the airport, terminal and runway lies 5 kilometers or 3.5 miles east of the older Doha International Airport. It is spread over an area of 2,200 hectares and was set to initially serve airlines that will not utilize large access. Hamad International Airport was designed to cater for a projected ongoing increase in the volume of traffic. The airport has an initial annual capacity of 29 million passengers, 3 times the current volume. Upon completion, it will be able to handle 50 million passengers per year, although some estimates suggest the airport could handle up to 93 million per year, making it the second largest airport in the region after Dubai. Thank you for watching. See you again on my next video. Bye!